Hey everyone and welcome. In this video I will be teaching you how to create a Sora account. So this is pretty easy. First you're going to be heading over to openai.com/Sora and you will be directed towards this particular section. So if you head over to OpenAI you will be landing here. Then on the left side you can see we have Sora here, and on the top we can see this option of login. If you do not have an account, you will need to be creating an account, which I'm going to be teaching you. So if you have a ChatGPT account, of course you are going to be having an OpenAI account that you can use to simply sign into the platform. Simply select Sora from here and you can choose your Google account to sign into the platform. Now it will be asking you for your date of birth. You can enter in here anything which is according to your. So click on next, and now it will be asking you for a couple of more options. You can see we have explore Sora. So currently I'm already logged into my account, as you can see, and you can simply log out and sign into the platform again by using your Gmail account. It is pretty easy. You can see the demonstrations showing up in here, and yeah, so that's about it. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching.